Hello guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add PayPal account in GUMROAD. So here at the left side of your screen, you will find a menu bar and click on settings at the bottom of your screen. Now from here, you will find some options. Find the payment options, and here you will find the payment methods you can add on GUMROAD. As you can see, I can add my bank account as the payment method. Also I can add debit card, but there is no options to add PayPal account because from here you can see um, let them load the message, and from here they said Gumroad offers two main payout methods. One is direct bank deposit and another is PayPal. But this is an alternative option for countries where direct bank deposit are not supported. That's mean if your country is not supported Gumroad to add the direct bank deposits, then you can experience the PayPal payout method. But also another thing is few days ago all the Gumroad users got this type of email that it says, we want to inform you that PayPal has suspended Gumroad's use of their service. As a result, we can no longer process payouts to PayPal accounts. We have invested heavily in direct bank transfers for nearly every country. We encourage you to connect a bank account directly to your Gumroad account to ensure uninterrupted payouts. That's mean PayPal has dumped Gumroad for this. In many countries, PayPal is not longer. For this, in many countries, PayPal is no longer available. So that's mean if you want to add your PayPal account on Gumroad, you just need to add this as an alternative, but you can only use PayPal as alternative payout methods when your country isn't support Gumroad to add direct bank account. And here you can see they said that PayPal availability varies by country. The availability of PayPal is a payout method depends on the countries where you are located. Direct bank deposit are preferred. That's mean you have to go with this direct bank deposit, and PayPal is an alternative in countries where direct bank deposits are not supported. PayPal is often offered as an alternative payout option, just like I said earlier in this video. Now you can just add the PayPal just like this. The process, you just need to go to settings and find out the locate the payment section. Then here you will find a button like this bank account button that named by PayPal, and you can add your PayPal account by entering your Gmail and your credentials, other credentials that need to add a PayPal account. Hope you found this video helpful. If you have any question left yet, then you can just simply drop them in our comment sections. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, click on the bell icon for more informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.